Hello, I am Pongpanot. I am Thai, but I like Chinese food more. And my favorite Chinese menu is duck stewed with chestnut because it has a good mellow taste. Today I am going to make Chinese food, which is Chinese stir-fried kale because it's spicy and very delicious menu. Chinese stir-fried kale has 7 ingredients as follows. For the ingredients, I have pork 150 gram, chili 5 large pepper chili, garlic 5 garlic, oyster sauce 3 tablespoons, sugar 3 teaspoons, seasoning sauce 3 teaspoons, and kale 1 plate. Okay. Firstly, pound chili and garlic together until fine. Then scoop up and set aside. Prepare kale in a bowl and wait for stir fry. Put the prepared chili and garlic on the kale. Next, add oil and wait for it to boil. Stir fry the pork until cooked, and then add the prepared kale. After that, stir to combine. Add a little water. Stir fry until the kale is nearly cooked. Finally, season again as desired. Then scoop it onto a plate.
Oh, delicious!